Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to view all the reels you've shared on Instagram on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you are logged in to your account before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. At the bottom left corner of the screen, look for the More icon or the 3 dots. Click on it to bring up a menu of options. Step 3. From the menu, select Your Activity. This will take you to a page where you can see all your recent activity on Instagram. Step 4. Within the Your Activity page, look for the Photos and Videos section. Then, navigate to the Reels section. Here, you will be able to see all the reels you have shared on your Instagram account. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily view all the reels you've shared on Instagram on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.